Welcome to HICO Distributing, your trusted source for helium and premium balloons. We deliver helium cylinders within 100 miles of Memphis, and our online store ships balloons and supplies nationwide. Same-day shipping when ordered by 12 p.m. Central Time. Helium tanks are available in multiple sizes, filled, tested, and ready to go when you are. Local customers count on our fleet for dependable helium delivery, straight to your location. We even manage bulk helium deliveries with our fleet of trucks to make sure your tank arrives on time. Our shelves are stocked with premium balloons, including Prima and Sempertex balloons, the same top-quality brands professional decorators use for long-lasting color and reliable performance. From classic round shapes to specialty designs, our inventory is carefully organized so your order is accurate, complete, and ready to ship fast. Choose from bold, bright colors, soft pastels, and shimmering metallics. We've got the shades and styles to make your event pop. Plus, we've got all the extras: ribbons, weights, pumps, high float, and more to make your setup complete. Whether you need just a few packs or enough for a major event, our warehouse is always ready. So whether you're searching for helium tank delivery to same-day balloon shipping, HICO Distributing is ready to help. Order online at HICOMemphis.com and let's make your next event unforgettable.